Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time around here, welcome. I am Guacamolito Viajero. I am from Mexico City, and in this moment I am walking here along Avenida Reforma, and this fence is from Chapultepec. We are about to enter here because today is an important day for me because it's my first time that I'm going to vlog completely in English. And well, finally we are here in Chapultepec. This is the Chapultepec Lake. This is one of the most important places you have to visit when you come here to my city, Mexico City. And by the way, I'm going to leave here in the corner a video that I have made, a video that I have recorded a few months ago here in Chapultepec, but it's in Italian. I speak also Portuguese and Italian. And well, maybe you are wondering why I am speaking English in this moment. Well, for one simple reason, I really want to get out of my comfort zone, and I decided to film this video in English in order to, how can I say, to improve my English, and also because I want to challenge myself, because for the last months I have been improving my English. I have been taking English classes, and well, I think that it's moment to film a video completely in English. So this video is so important for me. The other point is that I'm going to review today a microphone, a wireless microphone that I have bought. So I want to test this microphone here in Chapultepec. And well, other thing that I want you to know is that I am a little bit obsessed with British English. I am trying my best learning this accent, and at this moment you are listening the audio directly from my Galaxy S9. This mobile phone was launched in 2018, and I have had this smartphone since 2020. I'm sure that I have to upgrade my device, because one thing that I really don't like about this phone is that the front camera doesn't have a wide angle. And by the way, I really want to ask you for your patience, because as you know, English is not my first language, but I really want to push myself in order to master this language. And well, I think that I have an advantage. I speak English, I speak fluently Portuguese, I speak almost fluently Italian, and I am really aware that I will make mistakes when I speak. For that reason, I ask for your patience. And by the way, which language do you think is the most important in order to learn and to master? Okay, well, I have found here a bench. I'm going to make here the review. And this is the microphone that I have bought a few days ago. And let's check if the audio is better than the audio directly from the Galaxy S9. So, testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I have here attached the wireless microphone, and tell me in the comments what do you think, how the sound is. And it's so easy to use. You only have to plug in the receiver in your phone and turn on your microphone, and it's all what you need to do in order to begin using this wireless microphone. And well, I decided to stop here the review and the microphone test, because only after reviewing the footage I realized that the audio straight from the microphone is really awful. It's really horrible and detestable. And now I am walking along Avenida Reforma, Reforma Avenue, and obviously it's one of the best places to test this microphone. And well, I am really upset because the other microphone got frozen. I don't know what just happened. And if you want to know which microphone I am talking about, I'm going to put here below the link. So I was able to notice only this when I was editing. So I have nothing to say about this horrible microphone. And by the way, yesterday when I was doing this test, suddenly one of the two microphones got frozen and I wasn't able to turn off, and this really pissed me off because I couldn't continue to doing this test, and this is one of the reasons that I didn't like this microphone. And guys, if you are looking for a wireless microphone for your smartphone, I really recommend you investing in a well-known brand, for example DJI, Ulanzi, or also Boya. Well, I really recommend you paying a little more money in order to avoid this kind of problems that I got yesterday. And by the way, I paid for this wireless microphone 265 Mexican pesos, which could be approximately $16. So imagine the bad quality that I got only for almost $16. And after this brief pause, I leave you with the vlog I recorded yesterday. I leave you with Guacamolito Viajero from yesterday. And now I am filming with my GoPro 9. And now I'm heading to a coffee shop to drink a specialty coffee. Woohoo! And now we are in the Roma neighborhood. It's one of the most popular neighborhoods here in Mexico City. You have to visit this neighborhood when you come to my city. And I am looking for the coffee shop where I'm going to drink that amazing specialty coffee. I really love specialty coffee. And well, by the way, today is so hot. I think the spring just arrived early. And the main purpose of this video was to make the review, but it didn't work. And finally I am here in the coffee shop, and I was so excited that I forgot to tell you that I just ordered some kind of cinnamon bun. Let's try. It's so crunchy, and I want to share with you that almost 1 hour after using the microphone is still frozen. I don't know why. The green light is still on, and I can't turn it off. And well, my coffee arrived, and well, let's try. Oh wow, it's amazing. Yes, this coffee bean is from Guerrero. Is amazing, and with this cinnamon bread, it's just the paradise. Wow. And well, as a content creator, we really suffer when it comes to vlogging. Why? Because my cell phone battery almost died, and I am charging my cell phone with this power bank from DJI, and in this moment I have 20% of battery. I am taking advantage of this time to charge my phone. And after drinking this amazing coffee, this vlog ends here from Avenida Reforma here in Mexico City. And well, thanks for watching my video. And by the way, I am walking next to the Museo de Antropología. I'm going to leave here on the corner my video that I have made about that museum. And I promise I will make more videos in English about Mexico City for you. And well, remember one important thing: que viva Mexico, sí, que viva Mexico, chicos. So see you soon. Thanks a lot, and have an amazing day and an amazing life. Ciao.